Hi, this is Edye Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edye, I will be making baklava. Not just any baklava. This is a cross between a Persian and Greek baklava. So we'll be using some of the ingredients from each culture. Now, I learned how to make this recipe while I was working at the Top of the Muffin bakery in Mykonos, which is an island in Greece. So once again, fun to make, simple ingredients. I can't wait to eat this, and I know Stu can't wait to taste this. The recipe and the links to the products that you see here will be in the description below. If you didn't already know, we do have a Facebook group dedicated to Omnia Oven. Omnia Stovetop Oven Fans,
where you can learn tips and tricks, share your recipes, and pictures of your awesome dishes.
If you enjoy our cooking videos and appreciate our little channel, please smooshy that like button, click that notification bell, and subscribe to the Little House of Beans. Super excited to make the baklava. Let's cook.